Welcome and welcome back officially to my YouTube channel. I know nimepotea, sikupenda kwangu, but I took a break, of which it was a forced break, but now baby, we are back. By the way, Tebu, I have a new intro. Let's enjoy kwanza the new intro, right?
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in KK. We can do it on that.
So, we are starting again. Yeah. And saizi baby hakuna kubaku. And I have named this community kama snacks. So you guys will be snacks, right? The reason nimewapatia snacks is because I love snacks and lazima ningefanyaje niko tantalizing. Something sweet, something nice. So you'll be snacks. So let's start this video. Yeah, I'm happy we are back, baby. I know nimeanza na psych, but let's get onto it. So when was it? Ilikuwa April. So April nili order some things na AliExpress and they came to Kenya. Zilifika May. No, zilifika April actually, but sasa nimekuwa busy here and there, so sikuwa able kuziendea, but last week I went and I got them. I hope hamtaona address yangu, so let's unbox. Hamjaona? Oh, wacha nichukue makasi. Let's start with the first one. Okay. You can see. Chef's kiss. Look cute. How cool is this? Beauty. Let's go on to the second one. Actually, it's the little things that make me happy. Perfecto. A new cover case for a phone. Yeah. So nimenunulia hii phone case for this baby, and I love it. Like grip yake na kari. Chef's kiss. Anyway, I'm not disappointed, so let's open the last one. Unbox the last one. I said the last one was the best. Alafu ni kama wameweka mbili. I had ordered one, so sijui kama the friend aliona gift. I don't know. Okay, let's open it since my wamepack kama kitu. So don't pack it well. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god, darling. Oh my god. Chef's kiss. This summer, there's actually two of them. One, two, nice. What I know is my mom will still come. And kuna siku bado I went to Dubois and I got some things, like for example this shower gel and lashes and tweezers. See that? very cutesy demure. I got lip balm to moisturize my lips. Blue for my lashes. Yeah, I guess that's all. Alafu, I ordered a wig from Really Wigs. Let me show you. That's this wig. Yeah, we are about to eat up this summer, okay? Alafu, we have niko na good news. Guess what? We have a 3-in-1 tripod. Who's happy? Oh god, nilikuwa na struggle to shoot like no man's business. Let me show you. We have a tripod. Here it is, a 3-in-1. It can act like iko na Bluetooth shutter. Inaweza act kama a selfie stick, pia a mini tripod, na alafu a normal tripod if you got a class. So yeah, and I am happy. So this is the Bluetooth shutter. You press here, like you see that button, unaiteremsha na alafu imekiwa ka blue, it's on. So yeah, how cool is that? Ikiwa this level, it's the level of a mini tripod, as you can see, and it's so tall. Na bado hata sijamaliza, itafika mwisho. Our videos are gonna eat up, and but with this, hii unaweka kwa bag. Imagine unaweka kwa bag inatoshea, and you go record your content anywhere that you want. Kama hauna mtu wa kushoot, like this will shoot for you. So I'll highly recommend. Hapa RNG Plaza, Davy first floor, Davy collection, something of the sort. But ukiingia to entrance on your left, utaipata hapo. Yeah, and I'm happy, girl. These things by this me cost. By this size, I am investing on content equipment. So hopefully we will get the money and also buy a camera, because I'm manifesting to get a camera, a good quality camera, and then we upgrade our content. Yeah. Oh, and laughing, when I was working, I took a break because I was working, nilikuwa job. So kuna this lady niliona TikTok yake alikuwa amesave akisema this perfume alirate. Alafu nika screenshot when I screenshotted the perfume last year. Alafu nikiwa job, a friend of mine nikamsikia, alafu nikamnusia, nikaeleza it's very nice, and she's like yeah. Nikamuuliza table plug me with your perfume. Tell me why it's the same perfume. Loving is Beautiful by John Allen. I don't know if you can see the word, it's inverted true. So nilienda Naivas pale Maramol, nikaiangalia, alafu nikaiona, and it is the last piece remaining. Alafu sikuwa na do, nikakuja home, nikaambia Mungu kama that perfume was meant for me, may I find it tomorrow. So the following day, nilitoka kazi, I went and I found it, and I had to take it. So sija plug. So this is the best perfume you can get. It's very, very affordable. I bought it at I guess it was 800, almost 900, yeah. But it's so nice. You need to love it. Loving is beautiful. Yeah. Guys, I want to go out. I want to go to Carrefour. As you can see, my face it act up. And a friend of mine recommended Luron micellar water. I don't know, your pimples really. So I'm going to check it out. Either Carrefour or Naivas. So let me get ready, head out. I don't know if I will take you guys with me, but if I do, maneno imepotea. If I do if I do, it's okay. If I don't, please bear with me. So adios guys, see you later. So today it's on 16th Monday, so I am heading out. I'm going to the bank and to run some errands, so I'll take you guys with me, so see you there.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave.
I want to go to. I find it odd vlogging in front of people, so I want to go to House of Leather. I want to get my girl something. So yeah, let me see what I can get.
She's living her life, even if she acts like she don't want the limelight. But if you knew it, she lives her life. She calls her paparazzi, then she acts surprised. Oh, I know what she needs. She just wants fame. I know what she hates. Give it like days, running back to me. Put it in the days, bring some to people. Ooh, every night. She prays to the sky. Flashing lights, that's all she ever wants to do. Begging on her knees to be popular. Back to her dreams to be popular. Kill anyone to be popular. Sell her soul to be popular. Pop you just to be popular. Everybody scream 'cause she popular. She mainstream 'cause she popular. Let her be free 'cause she popular. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her. Money on top of me, money on top of her.
Gotta own it, but I'm alright. You can't take my
For the day.
soul without a fucking fight.
I know what she needs. She just wants fame. I know what she needs. Give her a taste when I
Aki huko kwetu hakuja kuwa na stima, like stima imekuwa ikisumbua. So today it's on Wednesday, date 18, and I'm traveling tonight. I'm going to Mombasa. Naenda kukaa Mombasa for 2.5 months, something of the sort. So I want to pack. Nataka ni pack vitu zenye nahitaji, and yeah, nilikuwa nimepack almost 70%. So saizi nataka nimalizie the 30% yenye nilikuwa nimebakisha, then I go niende nikacharge simu, my pods, na alafu nifanywe blow dry because saizi sina time ya kushukwa. Then I don't know if I'll be able to vlog niki-travel, but if I do, well and good. If I don't, please you have to bear with me. I'm still camera shy in front of people, okay? So basi, let me pack. Let me see if I can take you guys to pack with me. Lakini already nilikuwa nisha pack 70%. Lakini acha niwaonyeshe whatever I am packing here.